you are speaking now? Yes, right. Go ahead. Yes, tell me.
First, I'll speak about summary.
Yes, okay. Very good. Right.
The monk who sold his Ferrari is about fictional character named Julian Mantle. Julian is a successful lawyer but is struggling with stress and work pressure. He finally decides to leave his previous baggage and luxurious life behind and travel to the Himalayan
Okay,
mountains.
that person, that monk is not satisfied with these all things. So this what is this?
Stressful
Is
work.
not satisfied with his job and those all equipments he
No,
has.
sir, he have a lot of stressful work, sir. So that's why
Okay, he
he
has a
is
lot of stressful work. Okay, right. That monk has a lot of stressful work. Okay, right. Very good. Yes, go ahead.
Julian travels there in search of peace. That's it, sir. Completed.
Yeah, okay. That book is all about he went outside his house or he will travel in search of peace by sacrificing his job, stressful work, by stopping his stressful work, he will travel in search of peace. Okay, right. Very good. In within one sentence you complete it. Yes. Is there any to is something summary? Yes, you are. Yes. Is there anything? Is there or that's
Sir,
all?
can I tell quotes or
Chapter summaries. You can tell anything. Yes, you can. Your wish.
okay, sir. Everything is created twice, first in the mind and then in reality.
Okay.
Next one, I have learned that everything happens for a reason. The yoga Krishna told him.
Okay. First, everything is starts with mind. Miss mind. In your mind, that seed is planted. What seed? I have to get Navodaya seed, or I have to take the Navodaya coaching, or I have to become very strong or very powerful and very intelligent in mathematics and English and in mental ability. That seed is planted in your mind and it is becoming reality. Okay, what's the thought you told? Everything starts with a mind and it will become
I have,
reality.
yes, sir.
Yes, okay. And one more thing is everything will happen for a reason. Okay, means for everything it has a reason. Okay, yes, it will
Sir,
happen.
this is one deep quote, sir. The
Yeah, tell
purpose
me.
of life is the life of purpose.
Okay, purpose of life is the life of purpose. How many members
Yes,
understood?
sir.
Purpose of life is the life of purpose. Purpose means, do you know, first of all, what is the purpose? What is the meaning of purpose? If you don't know the spelling also, nothing will happen. But if you now you need is, what is the meaning of purpose? What is the purpose in life? To learn something. Okay. To have a peaceful mind. To have peaceful mind only we used to work what we love. Okay, we create love towards our interested works. So what is mean by purpose? Now you all have getting very foundation in mathematics. That is the purpose of you. That's why you are go on practicing lot every day this much. No one will do actually. No one, your friends, you can take your friends only. They didn't even attend this class also. They didn't even attended this class. So they don't have purpose. But I'm not
This
criticizing
quote,
them. I'm not criticizing them. Just I'm telling they in their mind it is not planted. Okay, in their mind it is not got that thought. But you got thought to learn foundation. Okay, to become intelligent in these subjects, and you started. That is your purpose. For that purpose, you are struggling or you are doing this beautiful hard work. Okay, you told life has a purpose and purpose is a life. Life is a purpose. Purpose is a life. Huh?
the
What's your
purpose of life is a life of purpose.
okay? Very good. It's a purpose of life
It
is a
will be
life of
confusion,
purpose.
sir.
Do you need
Sir,
any? Do you have any
this
explanation
quote
for
is,
this? Purpose of life
yes,
is
sir.
life of purpose. Yes, you can tell.
Yes, sir.
Yes, explain.
Purpose can guide life decisions, influence behavior, shape goals, offer a sense of direction, and create meaning. For some people, purpose is connected to vocation, meaningful, satisfying work.
Okay, it's there in the book, this text.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no need to remember that much deeply. Okay, you have to, you can remember, but you are remembering that perfect text. Okay,
Sir,
you can explain that. You can explain in your own words. Okay, no need of remembering, but you must explain in your own words. Okay, you told that I have understood. For everything, for vocationally, for vocations, for our body building or building our mind, it is a purpose. Means purpose of life
sir,
is
this
means.
quote is created by Robert Brain, sir.
Okay, Robert Brain. Yes, yes. So once again, could you explain to us that about purpose of life is life of purpose.
So here it is, yes, sir, I understand.
Okay, no need of going that much deeply. Yes, everything has everything purpose, every purpose. Yes, yes, okay, I understood. Yes. Okay. So first of all, I told now purpose is something. Shall I tell one more thing? Your parents are struggling this much now, means for earning money or for dreams. You means if I ask you what is your life goals, means you will tell something IAS or business or biz, or you creating companies or anything you will tell. But why your parents are working? For your purpose only, okay? To make you this much intelligent people, to make your dreams come true, okay? To make your dreams happen really, means to convert your dreams into reality. That's why they are working, they are investing money on you for your development only, okay? Your dreams will come reality. So they have their purpose is your achievements. Their purpose is they want to see your achievements, and your purpose is you have to achieve your dreams. You have to work towards your goals. That's only purpose, your life purpose. Understood? And for that purpose,
Yes,
you are
sir.
working. You are working for the purpose. Life of a purpose is purpose. Once again, could you tell me? I am unable to remember that one. Purpose of a life is life of purpose. That's all.
No, sir.
Tell me.
Purpose of life is a life of purpose.
Yes, purpose of a life is a life of purpose.
Is
Okay,
a life
yes.
of purpose.
Yes, okay, no need to remember this one that much deeply, but you have to, we must remember that the inner meaning. Purpose of life is life of purpose. Okay, right. I think everybody understood, children. Your purpose, you have to achieve. We must achieve. For me also, their purpose. I have to make my parents proud. Okay, I have to stand up their hard work. Understood? They are struggling from when I have born, means small child. I have born as a small child for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months. Understood? You also, everybody born as small child, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, 5 year. That's why they will do birthday in that much importance they will give for birthdays to recognize your years. So if your birthday is 11, they are struggling for you only for 11 years. For your dreams come true. Okay.
They're not still 11, sir. I'm 9.
Okay, 9. Okay, yes.
That become 10.
Yeah, okay, very good. Understood. So that's the purpose of life. Yes. So study well, children. You must become everyone. Shall I tell one more thing? Everyone has unique talent. No one can become equal. Understood? Because this is a rose garden. This is not rose garden, flower garden. In this flower garden, you will get jasmine tree, rose tree, not jasmine plant, rose plant. Could you tell me flower names? Lotus. So every flower has unique importance. Every flower has unique importance. That's why you also, okay? Tanvi is not equal for Ashritram or Shruti or Jaideep or Srimoni or Srita or Srimoti. Srimoni is not equal for these all things. Okay, you all are different people. That's why you must prove your talent in your own way. Okay, in your unique way. You have to bring out your unique talent. Okay, unique potential. Okay, I hope you will study regularly. And my homework to you is English grammar. You write in your notes. Okay, I will give you. In your English grammar only you write. In English notes you write. I will give you homework.
Don't give hard.
Yes, I will give easy only. You write one story. One story you write, any story, and understand it. Understand that story. And you have to explain to me in the class by seeing that story only. One story. Small story you choose, okay? Small story. You must explain.
I created a story, no sir, I'll tell that only.
Yes, your wish. You write in your notes one story, one beautiful story. It must be small and short and sweet, and it must have moral. You can do from anywhere in your Google or from mobile phone. You can you choose, and by seeing you write that story and try to understand that story, and you have to explain me. Simply way.
Sir, you gave 100 moral stories, no sir. Those are so
in that also you can write. You send it in our group, okay? From that you can choose.
Okay, sir.
You write neatly by seeing and try to explain me and with moral. Okay? Agree everybody? Jaydeep is not agree, I think.
Forward message.
Yes, I have given unmute option for everybody. Yes. Yes, tell me. Jaydeep. Sreet, are you ready? Just a small story. You pick small story. Small story with moral you have to explain me. With seeing only you have to explain. In the class, tomorrow's class. Okay? Agree everybody? Everybody okay? Yes, tell me. Unmute. I have given unmute chance for everybody.
Yes, sir. I had sent.
In which book?
In English book only you write. English book.
Sir, I sent, sir.
Okay, very good. Right. In English book you have to write.
Sir, conversation means what, sir?
I didn't got.
Converse English homework book. Sir.
I didn't got. What happened?
Conversation.
Conversation, not conversation. Conversation. Conversation means discussion. Now I am speaking with you means it is conversation between us. If I have asked this Jaydeep till now, Jaydeep, are you okay? I told. This is the conversation between Jaydeep and me. Yashasvi, are you okay? I told. This is a conversation between Yashasvi and me. I have discussed about the book that with Tanvi. This is a conversation between Tanvi and me. I have spoken with Sirimoni, Shruti. This is a conversation between two people. Understood? I understood. The communication between two people is conversation. Conversation. Communication between two people is called conversation. Understood? How many of us understood? Tell me.
Sir, I am. Sir, LS
last sentence I didn't understand, sir.
Conversation is communication between two people. Communication between two persons. Two or more than, okay? Two or more than two persons. Communication. What is
sir,
that?
Can you repeat what is that?
Discussion. Communication means discussion. I am speaking to you. This is a communication. I am communicating with you. Communicate. These are new words. You can write in your notes also by searching in the Google. Okay. If you can speak, if you on the mic means you will get communication, conversation. Okay. It is recording already.
What, sir?
I will send it to you in your numbers. Conversation.
Sir, what is that, sir?
Communication. Wait,
Sir,
I will.
Conversation.
Okay, you are.
Sir, can I tell the spelling?
Conservation.
Sir,
Conservation, huh?
Conversation.
Conversation or conservation? Conversation or conversation? Conversation or conversations? See, conversation or communication. Conversation is exchange of word, while communication is transformation of thoughts into meaningful actions. Okay.
Then this Google will break our heads, sir.
Yes, you can just write the conversation spelling and communication.
CONVERSATION
Is the conversation and communication. COMMUNICATION. Yes, write everybody in your notes. Okay, these are new words you can write every day. 2 new words.
MUNICATION.
Yes,
The
very good.
communicate spelling COMMUNICATE.
Or
Yes.
communication. What's a scamper?
The done set writing.
Yes, very good, very good. Yes, very good.
Sir, scamper means what, sir? Scamper.
What?
Conservation.
Something this Srita is asking again. What's your doubt, Srita?
Scamper.
Scamper?
Scamper.
Scamper. Why these all are new words? Where you are getting these new words? I don't know.
The
Scamper.
scavengers. Scavengers.
Sir,
Scamper.
scamper. Sir,
Scamper is actually an acronym and each letter stands for one thinking technique. Substitute combine. Sir, scavengers.
Scavengers means they are workers. Okay? Okay,
No,
well,
sir.
yes, okay. And I'm ending the meeting. Yes, you search from your Google.
Sachin,
You search in Google.
Sorry.
My work, do you know, children?
Sir, story in one paragraph writing, sir.
Yes, you write one
Sir,
story.
what story I need to write, sir?
Small story in your notes you write. In your English notes you
Small.
write, and you must explain to me while seeing. Okay, like that you write, like that you read. Srita, you can try.
Is what?
Story, one story, pick one story and write neatly and understand that story. Understand that story like you have to explain to us. Understand like you must explain to your friends. Like that you understand it. Then, yeah, tell me. Yes, Tanvi, ask your doubt. Yes, what happened? Okay, one story is your homework.
Yay! Sir, I total not reading, sir. Only one paragraph.
Okay, paragraph. You have to explain that paragraph. Okay, right. I'm ending that meeting. Yes. Tell me.
Sir.
Ask me.
English homework is
That only I
sir,
have to.
English homework. Story right. One
Yes,
story
you may
right.
write in your.
Sir, last time can you tell it is conservation or conversation?
Conversation. Conversation.
Okay.
I will confuse you, but you must not. You should not confuse. Conversation means conservation means saving. Saving. Conservation. Conversation means version. Conversion. Okay, right? Yes. Okay. Perfect. Conversation. Conversation.
Conversation.
Yes, conversation. You can ask your siblings or brothers or your mother or father. Or you can
Sir,
ask
wait,
the
sir.
Google.
Something
Google
Srita
Guru.
told us, sir. After conversation, she told again one more word. What is that, sir?
Communication. Communication.
No, sir. After that, she told something.
Communication or
Camper. Okay,
communication.
you can search in your Google, okay? Yes, I'm
Camper.
ending the meeting. It's been a long time. Okay, right. Bye, children. Bye, bye, bye.